Hey GCSE physicists, so this is a lovely 2-marker, just checking if you've learnt about your forces properly. So this one says a car travels along a straight road at 22 meters per second. The car picture's like on cruise control, right? She's always going at that same speed. And it says, what is the resultant force? Remember, resultant is a way you can think about it. Just basically means like asking you what is the difference in the car, right? But because we know it's traveling at a constant speed, because remember that equation, F equals ma, the equation is resultant force is equal to mass times acceleration. If it's traveling at a constant speed, it's not accelerating, right? It's not getting faster and faster. It's not getting slower and slower. So that acceleration is 0. So anything multiplied by 0 gives me 0. So we know that the resultant force is 0 newtons, right? 0 newtons. There's no resultant force in the car. So let's explain why. How do we know this? We know the resultant force of the car. We know the forces are balanced. Remember, it doesn't mean there's no force in the car. It means the resultant force, the difference is 0. We know the forces are balanced. So what we're saying is that forward force from the engine that's pushing the car forward is going to be exactly equal to those resistive forces, maybe due to air resistance or friction. So because they're exactly equal, the difference in them is 0. So the resultant force is 0. We know the forces are balanced as it is traveling, or as the car is traveling at a constant speed. And if you had a question asking whose law is this, that's going to be Newton's first law. Because remember, Newton's first law said if the forces are balanced, it's either going to remain at rest. So if it remains at rest, it means we're already not moving, it just stays not moving, or it continues to move at constant speed. So because this car is already moving, it's going to continue moving at that constant speed.